Hey everyone, this is going to be kind of a weird place to start this video from because I'm going to be talking about sand dunes and our exploration here, but we actually just pulled in and it's sunset, but the sunset is just incredible. If you've never been here, I haven't seen a place like this. It's crazy. You drive in on this long straight road across these open plains, and then there's just these huge sand dunes that just come up out of nowhere, and they're just nestled right at the bottom of the mountains. And really excited. We got a campsite here tonight. We'll spend all day here tomorrow, and then probably do some sandboarding, maybe some sand sledding. I don't know, not sure really what is all here, but it looks really different, really cool. There's not many trails out here on the dunes themselves because they're always changing, so it's just different, and it's so still. It's crazy. So I'm really excited about it, and Deborah, Alex, Rhett, they all seem excited about it, so see what we can find, see what we can share with you. Well, in the short time that we took a half-mile hike up to Zapata Falls, we can definitely see some thunderstorms, rainstorms, something like that coming in. We're gonna try to head back down to the dunes to do some sandboarding and sand sledding, but we'll see if the weather cooperates with our plans. But hopefully it does. Bit it hard. It is soft. Like, it doesn't really hurt that bad when you fall. Alright, so that's about it for Sand Dunes National Park. It was pretty sweet. It was a little different than some other parks where it's kind of a choose your own adventure. It's really recreational if you're going to do the sandboarding, which is a lot of fun. I bit it a lot of times. We all crashed. We're all covered in sand, so we're going to finish up with a shower here. But if you're ever out here, I would recommend renting a sandboard. If you've done a little bit of like snowboarding or skateboarding or anything like that, you'll probably be okay. There's small hills, there's big hills, a little bit of everything, and then there's always a sand sled that can get going really fast on some of those bigger hills, and it's a lot of fun too. So check it out, and that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed it.